Hey guys, it is Jennifer with Lotus Store Homes here at the site of our newest listing, 670 East Cadillac Drive. Look at this view. You've got the pool, you've got the lake, you've got all of Florida living. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,458 square feet, huge open floor plan, so it feels way bigger than that. No Homeowners Association, on 0.27 acres, located in the heart of Altamonte Springs and in one of the most desirable school districts, the Lake Brantley School District. You've got the Altamonte Mall, you've got Cranes Roost Park, you've got all of the shopping and restaurants that you can imagine. So without any further ado, let's take a look.